Hey friends, so thought we'd do a new segment, give something a crack every Tuesday, and we're going to call it Tuesday Tutoring, and we're going to do it together with some of the eSchool faculty here at MI. So I thought I'd kick it off today to honour our email marketing fundamentals playbook. So I'm going to review some emails that the team have recently been sent and just talk through them and give you maybe some tips and things that you can take away from your own emails. So the first one that we've got here is from a business called Happy Mammoth. I think they're in the United States. Anyway, they've sent some really cool emails that are a little bit different from what we saw or what we see from e-commerce emails. But what I really love about these emails is that they kind of have a small business vibe about them. I'm not sure about the size of Happy Mammoth, but what I really loved about it is that it felt more personalized than what you get from a standard e-commerce email. So you can see here in the copy, in terms of, so the subject line, first of all, normally we see subject lines, is there something in your cart, or, if there's something missing from your order, or pretty standard abandoned cart subject line. So what I love about this one is it just says your order status. Now, this is an abandoned cart email, as you can see that we've tagged it here. Hi, Jennifer. Matt here from Happy Mammoth. I was just going through our order list and saw that you tried to order some of our products, which could finally give you some control over your health and strength and well-being. So feel free. So if you feel comfortable and happy with your body while enjoying the long-lasting benefits, blah, 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 whatever. Okay. So this was for some L-glutamine. This could be a standard line that they put across this. The only thing that this is missing, of course, I think, is the price and a buy button. Not a big deal, especially if this image clicks through. But, we do know that when you put a button on something, we do get higher click-through rates. So just one little consideration there. But what I did love is this part. I was just going through our order list and saw that you tried to order some of our products. That's it. Now, this one was interesting. So this wasn't a post-purchase email, but this said that your Happy Mammoth order is sitting ready to go on my desk. The only thing I need is your shipping address. Now, this was a post-purchase, which was interesting. I thought this could work really nicely as an abandoned cart, but it was post-purchase. This isn't Jen's package at all, but I just thought it was a really cute idea that's where it's sitting. Just a really cute idea, but definitely not for post-purchase, for more of an abandoned cart. All right, let's come down to this one. So Lifecycle is an amazing, amazing brand. Just a couple of little things here on their emails. So the first one here is talking about biohacking in your 20s. Trey Orkies. I know that Jen is definitely in her 30s. So if you are going to do emails like this, please make sure that you are asking for things like birthday years, at least, so that you can get a better idea around doing this kind of personalization, because it can just feel kind of yucky if you miss it like these guys have. Not bagging the brand, because you guys are an amazing brand and the products are amazing, but just thought I'd call that out. If you're going to do this kind of thing, don't let your personalization fail. Make sure that you ask for things like birthdays. It can be so much more powerful than just doing anniversaries or birthday presents and things like that. You can use it for personalization. Pretty good emails overall, nicely educated. There's a fair bit of space that's used here. Not a problem. I love that they've got the trust markers up here and that they've got their free shipping. They're very specifically talking about Athlete's Pack, which, if we're talking about biohacking in your 20s, maybe titling that pack a little bit differently perhaps. But anyway, still a reasonable email. Just a couple of little elements there that definitely should have been addressed. So that's it from me for Tuesday Tutoring. I hope that you found this beneficial. If you want more content like this, please let me know. We've got a couple more lined up, but excited to hear what you think.